So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be taking a look at official Miui 10 for our Redmi Note 3. This is the Qualcomm version, the Note 3 Pro. And if you're wondering why I haven't put any kind of sexy videos that not just make me install but make you guys install too, well, it's not an editing mistake, but if you still want it, here you go. I don't know why that didn't work. Yeah, there is basically nothing to show you guys. It's basically Miui 10 based on Miui 9's system and framework thingies, where you do get some updated apps such as the phone app and every other stuff. For some weird reason, I wasn't able to grab a China beta for this thing, so I can't really confirm even if the China beta has the newer UI, cause Xiaomi literally said Miui 10 won't be supporting KitKat devices because of the newer framework additions that need the material design in order to work, and still on Android Marshmallow they are promoting this thing. Now I have not checked any other phone which has a Marshmallow and Miui 10, but this is what we get. But as you can see, there is nothing literally added over here in terms of features, so there is not a lot of things to show you guys, but let's just take a look. So first of all, your home screen, it's basically the same as you can see. Miui Football, Carnival, it shows you MI ads over here on the top. Shortcuts get a bit of an upgrade, such as you get Google Assistant and some app integrated shortcuts. Then again, pretty much the same. Recent apps panel, again same, but you do get split screen, which I made a separate video on, and it's really brilliant how Xiaomi made it work on Android Marshmallow from Android Nougat. Like literally it's the same thing. So hats off for that. And then again the themes, you get your normal limitless theme on the global beta, so there are no changes at all. So apps look pretty much the same, such as for example phone, as you can see it's white. From the newer one, as you can see the search bar is much more pronounced, so yeah, there you go. Then you have messages app again updated. Mi browser also gets updated, but the camera is still from the Miui 9. Well, we saw a Miui 10 camera on the Redmi Note 4, but on the Note 4, even it's replaced. I don't know what Xiaomi made promises of portrait mode. Like, not even the camera app has been updated. Like, where is the portrait mode in this thing? I seriously don't know how much time like Xiaomi will take, even though the technology is ready. But let's just explore some other apps, such as the weather app. As you can see, you do get the newer weather app with accurate weather support, and it's really very well detailed, to be honest. I really like it. I really like the weather apps for Samsung and iOS too, and this is my third favorite one now. Then you just get gallery and other stuff. Oh, here you have calendar, which is the still older one. So going to the notes, again notes app is newer, as you can see. You can just scroll around for your notes, or you can just voice memo it or type it in. Pretty nice touch. Then going over here to the more tools, tools are pretty much the same. You get recorder, amp and stuff, but the clock has been updated. As you can see, it has a darker UI, just like the Redmi Note 5, Note 5 Pro and Note 4 that I have. Then again, I really miss the holographic effect, but we can't help. This is much more easier on our eyes. Then you get this thing like default, summer or beach. Very weird features rather than providing a new UI. And then the security app. Security app has been yet to be updated. I know it's getting a refresh, but sub tabs inside it get a bit of upgrade, such as for example your security scan has been updated. As you can see, it gets a new UI. Looks pretty cleaner than before. And then you have game speed booster, but over here even like, I guess data usage has been updated. There you go. As you can see, you get a very beautiful UI with pretty complex info. But let's just go to the settings now, where real magic happens or nothing happens literally. But as you can see, the framework has been bit updated. The apps look whiter than before. Also the search bar is now darker, just like iOS. Going to the about phone section, Redmi Note 3 Android version 6.0.21. We are getting nothing newer than that. And June security patch, so pretty impressive over there. And then in other features, we literally get nothing. It's a global beta. There is no Miui lab, so you don't get any kind of additional features such as Mi Assistant, picture-in-picture, car mode. Nothing is available over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This concludes my first look of Miui 10 on your Redmi Note 3. And if you want to get the real Miui 10 with some animations and Android Nougat, please let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe, and just see you in the next one. Peace. I'm really disappointed.